As you can see this morning, a lot of women will be wearing red today. February is American Heart Month. Heart disease is drastically impacting the lives of women too. And Paige, you're here joining us to explain how you can protect yourself.
Yeah, as you were saying, heart disease actually is the #1 killer of women, taking more lives than all forms of cancer combined. That's according to the American Heart Association. But what is it? Well, a maternal cardiac expert at Barnes-Jewish Hospital explained that it can be a range of conditions that affect your heart. It can be heart rhythm problems, hypertension or blood pressure, heart attacks and strokes too.
Really important not to ignore symptoms. I think a lot of times as women, we're really focused on taking care of our children and our spouses and our jobs, and sometimes our own health is kind of at the bottom of our to-do list. And it's really important, if you're experiencing symptoms of shortness of breath or palpitations or chest pain, not to ignore those, but just to go get them checked out.
When it comes to prevention, so much of this you've heard before: proper diet and exercise, reduced blood sugar levels and alcohol intake, and your stress. But her advice that really surprised me the most: starting at age 21, women should be regularly screened for high cholesterol and diabetes. Even active, seemingly healthy women can be at high risk of heart disease because of genetic factors instead of just lifestyle factors. And this is especially important for moms who had high blood pressure during pregnancy. Experts now believe that those women are at 4 times the risk of developing high blood pressure again within just a few years of giving birth, putting them at double the risk for heart attacks and strokes.
And I mean, Paige, when you're pregnant, you're getting checked up on every week.
All the time.
You know, postpartum, you really don't go in for appointments for yourself.
It's all about the baby then, right?
Very, very true.
Yeah, so this is really a good reminder. I learned a lot about taking those precautions and keeping this in mind years to come.
I know, something I'm thinking about now.
Yeah.
Thanks, Paige.